Crew management is a vital aspect of maritime operations, ensuring that every ship runs smoothly and efficiently. It's not just about filling positions, it's about creating a cohesive team that can handle the challenges of life at sea. Let's dive into how crew management systems work and why they matter. First, recruitment is the foundation of any successful crew. It's essential to find individuals who not only have the right skills, but also fit the culture of the ship. This involves thorough vetting processes, including interviews and background checks, to ensure that each crew member is qualified and ready for the unique demands of maritime life. Once the right people are on board, training becomes crucial. Effective training programs equip crew members with the necessary skills to perform their duties safely and efficiently. This includes everything from safety drills to technical training on equipment. A well-trained crew is not only more competent but also more confident, which is vital in high-pressure situations. Scheduling is another key component of crew management. It's about balancing the needs of the ship with the well-being of the crew. This means planning shifts that allow for adequate rest while ensuring that all roles are covered. A well-organized schedule helps prevent fatigue, which is critical for maintaining safety and performance on board. Payroll management might seem straightforward, but it's an essential part of keeping crew morale high. Timely and accurate payment is crucial for crew satisfaction. It's not just about the paycheck, it's about recognizing the hard work and dedication of each crew member. A transparent payroll system fosters trust and loyalty among the crew. Health and safety are paramount in the maritime industry. Crew management systems must prioritize the physical and mental well-being of seafarers. This includes regular health checks, access to medical care, and mental health support. A healthy crew is a productive crew, and ensuring their welfare is not just a legal obligation, but a moral one. Speaking of welfare, crew management systems also focus on the overall quality of life for seafarers. This includes providing recreational activities, access to communication with loved ones, and opportunities for personal development. When crew members feel valued and supported, they are more likely to perform at their best and stay with the company long term. In summary, effective crew management systems are essential for the success of maritime operations. They encompass recruitment, training, scheduling, payroll, health and safety, and crew welfare. By investing in these areas, shipping companies not only enhance operational efficiency, but also contribute to the well-being of their most valuable asset, the crew. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Your support helps spread awareness about the importance of crew management in the maritime industry.